Hello, as you can see, it's December, it's snowing, and Zizek is not terribly disappointed. We are here today with our first delivery of a winter camouflaged thermal protection poncho. So the idea behind this is that thermal drones with thermal visioning are a huge danger for us. And so a poncho with some insulation in it can block or help to block the vision of the heat of your body by the drone. But of course it's wintertime, so you don't want the poncho itself to stand out. So we have these wonderful winter camouflage ponchos that have recently become available, and this is the first one we'll be delivering. So Slava Ukraini, God bless America. Not really what I was hoping to see when I got up this morning, but it really reminds me how happy I am that we started preparing for the cold weather back this spring.